Evening, welcome back to our Scottish Highland adventure. Crooked Fence Farm Highlands. So, what do we do? What do all ranchers do when it's cold and it's raining? It's almost cold enough for snow, but not quite. We all do the same thing, big or small. We get out and take care of our animals. So, let's go do it. Here I come, girls and guys. Here I come, girls and guys. Hey, we've been lucky. We haven't had all this rain. Y'all still gotta eat that hay. Before I'm gonna put another one in here. Move your big noggin out of the way. You too. Move your noggin out of the way. Feeling good, huh? Here you go. We'll just put this one right here. Ah, come on, let's go over here. Come on. Quit butting her. Come on, girls. See, if y'all come over here, then the guys will come over here and y'all can go over there and eat. But you got to figure it out, don't you, Flora? And the mud's back. Oh, I missed it for a week. Huh. Creek feeder sounds empty. Oh, I still see some. Let's see how much is in there. Yep, going to go get some more tomorrow. All right, let me go dump the water out of your troughs. Y'all having fun today? In the rain? I'll take that as a yes. I need to do that to all mine. Greer, move your butt. Quit. Move. Get out of my way, let me walk through the mud. There's not a lot of water in these. Huh? Y'all agree? At least not till I get to this one, I'm sure. Yep. Got to drill more holes in it. Molly? What do you say, girlie? Feeling good, Garth, huh? Enjoying this rain? Are you enjoying this rain, old boy? And cool weather? Ah, your trough doesn't have anything in it. All right, let's eat. I've got a baby goat to go see. Yes, I do. Everybody knows what cold, yucky weather brings. Babies. Huh. Speaking of babies, where's Bossy? There you are. Hey, Blossom. June, I think. Hey, Olivia. All right. Oh, it's cold out here. Yes, it is, girls. I don't have a double fur coat on. So it's cold to me. All right, Garth, I'm coming. Here I am. So if you have a ranch, if you raise animals, farm animals of any kind, then you know what happens on the coldest, wettest, nastiest day you've had so far since summer. That's right, babies drop. So apparently, my wife came out to feed her goats. She found a baby goat. She did say yesterday that the baby goats should be dropping any day. I guess today started any day. So there's only one, at least right now anyhow. May have some more when we come back out here later, but the babies are coming. I got cows that are due. Probably not till next month, but they're gonna start dropping too. I'm sure they're gonna wait till the coldest, wettest, frozenest day they can find. Hey, that was our adventure for today. Hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. We'll see y'all next time.